Welcome to Easy Art 47. Today I am going to draw this anime style stylized nurse in a very fashionable manner. I started with a circle for head and I used the Loomis method and I make the marking for the head as you can see, and her head is little bit downwards, so the marking is as straight as we see the front, but the lining of eyes will be little bit lower and she is tilted to one side. A small part for the neck and a lining for the shoulder, and at the end of shoulder there is joint, and for the elbows and here is the part for the chest, and as you can see, and with the middle at the center point of the shape there will be the circle for the, and here at the end of the joint I will make the hand. As we know, the hand is connected to the shoulder. This is the very basic anatomy as you can see, and here I make the part for the torso area, or you can say the belly area, and here I am making the another hand, and her hand will be crossed at the front, and she is crouching, and as you can see I make the simple for the hand and the palm area, and as she is crouching, her hips will be wider and the torso area will be much more, and here I make the basic shape as you can see, and here I am giving the shape to the body, so when I add the clothes it helps me to give the natural look of the body. And here I am rubbing the extra guideline, and now I am making the eyes. As you know, the anime eyes is very stylized, but I have kept the touch of reality so that it might be, as you can see, that as we know that gap of two eyes is between the gap of one eye where the nose starts. It's not exactly the one eye, but it's the kind of a little bit less than, and as you can see I make the nose with the indication, and here I am making the eyebrow, and it has the very, as you know, the top of the head is covered with hair and eyes in the kind of middle, and depending upon the subject it's kind of in the middle. Sometimes it's little bit up and down, but generally it's in the middle. And here I am making the lips, and with the lips I make it very not thick not thin, but very much kind of middle, so that it, and I am here making the circle above the head for the hair, and I am making the hair, as you can see, and it's kind of looking good. As I progress, the picture will come into, and here I am giving the classical cap for the nuts, and here I am making the plus sign, which is the sign for the, and here I am giving the collar for the uniform or the dress of the nurses. And as you can see, with the help of the basic geometry, I am making the clothes, and those who are new, they can follow along with this. And you see how I am making, and this is I am the help of the chest area I am making the dress, and so that it does not look odd. And here I am giving the support, and as you can see how the shoulder part of the hands come, and here I am giving, I am adjusting over the clothes, and so that clothes is not too tightly fit or too loosely, but it may look good. And as you see, the basic anatomy helps me the most, and here I am just rubbing the hand area, as you can see, because this is the most difficult part for any artist to draw the finger, and we just use the lines to indicate the fingers. I wish I could zoom this, but it is not. And here, as you can see, the basic structure of the body itself helps in drafting the clothes. As you can see, I am making the skirt, and as it is the anime character, so but it's based on the real feature, and how you like it, you just comment it on the, and I am making it very slow so that everybody could follow along with me. And this type of